Yes, fam. Our pressure cooker time has expired and we are gonna go in. Get right in, camera girl. This is what it looks like, y'all. This is what it looks like. And we almost got it done. This is what it, look at the beauty. Look at it, y'all. Look at it. Look at it. This is here your curry mutton. Not finished. So now we're gonna notch up our flame. Yeah, flame up. Hot water to the rescue. Our liquid has dried out. We're gonna put about a cup of boiling water, and as I always tell you, make sure your boiling water is ever there. Once you start to cook meat, so you're gonna scrape around your edges, because all these little catching, all of these little things, you want them to get in to make your gravy. Right here I have a medium Irish potato that has been cubed. I left it in the water so as to keep it, let it maintain its color. If you don't keep it in the water, you know it will get brown. So we're gonna put that right in there. We're gonna use it for a little bit of thickening, not much, because we had some thickening going on right there because of the richness of the Indian curry. So we're gonna incorporate it, because we don't want a lot, and you don't want them cooking out. You want them to be among the mutton. So when it's being served, you see that we have a little Irish. You don't want a lot. If you want more, you can put more. And look at it. Look at it. Okay. Now we're gonna put a little Walker's Wood Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. So this is about like a half of a teaspoon. We're gonna put it in there to notch up spiciness a bit, and it's in the liquid form, right? So see what we have here. Look at it, camera girl. I know you're in on it. Look at this curry mutton, you all. Look at the base of the gravy. Look at this, you all. Look at this. Now we're gonna take it away again. Seems as if we want a little more water. So we're gonna put maybe another, yes, less than a quarter cup of water. Yes, we are gonna put our flame down to low. Yes, we are gonna incorporate, and at this time now we are gonna taste to see the flavor that we have, the salt perfection, and the spiciness. Curry mutton needs a little spice. So look at it for the last time. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So we're gonna taste right here and now. Real hot, be careful. We can take a dash more of salt. Not much. A little gig of salt sometimes does a lot. So we're gonna gig it up. That's it. That is it. Sometimes a little gig just does the trick. So we're gonna get it up a little bit, and we're not gonna let our potatoes cook till they are mashed. They're just gonna cook, stay all inside here. So now we're gonna not cover back with our pressure, but we're gonna use a regular cover to cover. Get right in, camera girl. And this is what it looks like, because we're leaving it to gravy down and for the potatoes to cook. Now, 2 tips for you. Never use thyme inside your curry. Why? Thyme takes away the flavor from the curry. Never, and I repeat, never put thyme inside your curry, be it dry or green. Thyme takes away the flavor from the curry. Number 2 tip for you. Whenever you're using curry and your garment, your kitchen towels or whatever gets messed up by curry, one remedy. There's the only remedy for curry. You don't have to use any chemicals. Put your garment or your kitchen towel or whatever in some water and leave it to the sunlight. In a matter of 5 to 10 minutes, the curry stain will all be gone. Those are 2 curry tips for you. Okay, y'all? When we see you next, hello please, the authentic Jamaican curry mutton will be ready. Okay, y'all?